Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set daily limits on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Instagram app, you'll be welcomed in the home page. Below, you'll be able to see a search bar, a plus icon, and your profile icon. Here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon that is located on the right-hand side corner. After tapping on your profile icon and on the top, you'll be able to see a plus icon and a hamburger option. Tap on the hamburger option. After tapping on your hamburger option, here you'll have to tap on your activity. After tapping on your activity, once again you'll be able to see time spent, photos and videos, interactions, and many more. Here you'll have to tap on the first option, that is time spent. Here you can see all the time you have spent on your Instagram from past 1 week. So below the chart of your time limit, you'll be able to see three options. On the first, you'll have set a reminder to take breaks. On the second, you'll have set daily time limit. And on the third, you have notification settings. Here you'll have to tap on the second option, that is set daily time limit. After tapping on that option, here you'll have options such as 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. You can choose your preferred time limit. I'll be choosing the 30 minutes. After you have chosen your preferred time limit, tap on the done. And as you can see, your time limit has been set. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to set daily time limit on Instagram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.